Hi, my name's Paul. I'm the owner of Easy Lockout and Roadside Service here in San Antonio, Texas. I wanted to give the public some informative information about auto loans. Every day I pass by auto sales lots that say buy here, pay here, guaranteed credit approval, bad credit, no credit, we got you. That's more than correct. When you go to buy a car and you have challenge credit, usually these places are the only places you can turn to. And these places are also called the bottom feeders. They know that you have challenge credit or bad credit for whatever reason, and they're going to take advantage of it. They're going to put you in a car, and you're going to pay a lot more than you would if you had a decent credit rating. Buy here, pay here lots normally do not report to any credit union. And what it is they will put you in a vehicle with a large down payment and extremely high monthly payments. These vehicles are used in most cases. A lot of institutions will put a unit in the vehicle to track where you are, and if you are late on a payment, they will disable this vehicle to where you can't start it. They are really investing on the hopes that you don't make your payment, because if you don't make their payment for the loan that they made you, what's going to happen is they're going to come recover the car, they're going to take it back to their lot, and they're going to sell it to someone else. They're going to pay for that $4,000 car extremely fast, and the rest will be profit. And if you go to a normal car dealership, what's going to happen is if they can use your credit to put you in a vehicle, they're going to take a large down payment. They're going to give you an extremely high annual percentage rate, anywhere from 18 to as high as 24%. So what that is saying is if your APR was 18%, out of every $100 that they loan you for that vehicle, you're paying $18. And for every $1,000, you're paying $180. So you're paying extremely more than you should for this vehicle. The normal annual percentage rate for a vehicle, depending on if it's a credit union or not, can be as low as 3%. So they're really taking advantage of the fact that you have challenge credit or no credit or bad credit. They're going to put you in a car, but you're going to pay for it. Generally a $9,000 car can run you as much as, in the end, when it's all said and done, paid for $16,000. And the car's value wasn't even halfway worth what you paid for it. So the moment that you put the ink on the paper, you're deep in debt. These places claim, well, if we weren't here, they wouldn't have a vehicle. That may be correct, but you have to remember they're out for profit. They are out there to make money off of you. So if you are needing a car and you have bad challenge credit, the first thing I can do is tell you save. You need to pay off all your debts. Pay it off as fast and as much as you can, and then if you want a used car and you want to finance it, you'll have the ability to do so, or you can buy a beater and do the same thing and start paying off your debt. I highly recommend that if you're going to buy a vehicle and you can save the money and buy something that's used and it'll run for a little while, a few years, I highly recommend you do that. A car is a purchase that the moment it runs off the lot, it depreciates. You'll never get the money you paid for out of it. It's unlike a home. A home, you can improve it and turn around and sell it and make a profit. A vehicle is not. You'll never get anything back, near anything back what you paid for it. So if you have bad or challenge credit and you're going out there and you're wanting a car, just be careful of what you're going to pay. You need to check the annual percentage rate. You need to check the down payment. One thing I highly recommend is you need to take the vehicle, your make and model, and go to KBB. See what that car is worth before you start making payments on it. If you want to go a little further, do a fact report on the vehicle, and pull up and what it does is it'll show you, where the car was purchased, how many times it's been serviced, has it ever been in an accident, is it a lemon, and Carfax is what they call this report, and it's a little expensive, but it's well worth it when you're making such an investment. Once again, I just want to recap that if you are looking to get a car, save your money. If you turns up you do have decent credit after checking your credit report, go to a local credit union. They're going to be more lenient in making that auto loan, and they're going to give you a better annual percentage rate, and you'll be saving money in the long run. This is Paul with Easy Lockout and Roadside Service. If you're looking for that car, I hope you find it. I just don't want you to get ripped off doing so. I hope y'all have a wonderful week.